Hey parents, this is Robert from Bambi Baby. We have an unboxing of the newest stroller from Bugaboo. It's the Kangaroo. Behind me, I already have it set up as the Duo. So this is the bassinet for baby number 2 and the sibling seat that has to be purchased that doesn't come in this box. So we're gonna show you guys what comes with the Kangaroo. We're gonna show you guys the multiple configurations that you can use with this new inline from Bugaboo. The Kangaroo with the main chair. So we'll say this is the toddler seat. So it comes with the bassinet. It comes with the frame. So the hardware that your bassinet and your chair are the same pieces. So they're using the same frame and the family's just changing out the fabrics. So if I switch the chair to the same position that the bassinet is in, the families will see that it's the same hardware. So the canopy and the belly bar are shared when you transition from bassinet to their sibling, to the main chair. When the family grows, the family has to buy the sibling seat. So the sibling seat is what the family would purchase for the oldest child, and they would have to revert the main chair back into a bassinet so that they can have this configuration. So when the family grows, the family has to do 2 things. The family is buying this adapter if they want to put the bassinet on the top of the Kangaroo. You need this adapter. This is an individual purchase. Kangaroo comes with its car seat adapters, and we're going to put the Bugaboo Turtle Air, and this is baby number 2 with baby number 1 on the additional sibling seat. If the family wants to put the younger child here and the older child on the top, the older child is going to be in their main seat. This is how the system would look with the older child on the top, or the bigger chair on the top, and the sibling seat in the front. Bugaboo's inline system.
Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@babybaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida; Paramus, New Jersey; Middletown, New Jersey; Long Island, New York; and Staten Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.